lot of people been asking me, can a convicted felon get a CCW? I'm going to tell you that the answer is yes. I was able to get a concealed carry permit. I was able to pass a federal background check, take the 8-hour class with a certified NRA instructor. Right here, this is my permit. Blocked out some information I don't feel like the internet should have, but here it is up there for you so you can see it. I was able to get a concealed carry permit. A lot of people said that I wouldn't be able to pass a federal background check, that state's restoration and federal restoration is two totally different things.
They were wrong!
I was able to pass a federal background check to get my concealed carry card. According to state's laws, states have reciprocity with my own state. I'm here in Ohio. Here's the states that got reciprocity with Ohio, meaning that with my CCW, I can carry in other states. The class was dope. The NRA instructor, he was cool. He was dope. There was other people in the class, people who had never shot guns before. It was interesting to see how excited they got to get around guns.
Now remember, that gun is loaded. So go ahead and pick up that firearm. Keep your finger off the trigger. Let's go ahead and get a good grip. There you go, good job. This time we're gonna go bang, bang. All right, go ahead and take the fat part of your finger, place it on the trigger. Range is high, fire at will.
Ooh, I got a good shot!
I hit the ear. I hit the ear a little bit up to the top right, my right ear. You would let me shoot it one time? Yeah. I just wanted to see, cause y'all joint when we first shot, it scared the mess out of me.
You gonna feel it like.
But see, this is my first time.
Just let him shoot right where you at in the same bay.
All right.
That way you ain't gotta move it.
Just take it and you load it the same exact way you was loading that 22.
But it has no body kit.
Yeah.
Put it in there. Slap it.
Pull,
yep. Pull back.
Go ahead and rack it. It's the same philosophy. Same grip.
Yep. Shoot a couple of them.
Yep, same philosophy. And go ahead and take your fat part of your finger, place it on the trigger. And fire.
My cousin gonna be proud of me, man.
And you know, this restoration process is legit. It works. I'm here to tell y'all, do it, try it. The worst they could say to you is no.
No, I'm not going to take no for an answer. No.
I will not take no for an answer.
I'm doing this for all the convicted felons out here across the country. There's 14 million convicted felons in this country. There's a lot of people in this 2A community who say we shouldn't get our rights back. They don't think felons should have guns. They naysayers, all that. I'm telling you, it's possible. I got my concealed carry card. I done got lots of guns. Carry pistol right here. I'm telling you, you can get your gun rights back. Keep at it, keep working, keep up on it. I'm gonna do a few range reviews on some of my pistols, rifles, shotguns. I'm gonna keep them posted to the channel. And like, share, and subscribe to the video. The only person that can stop you is you. Guard your freedom, my friends.
Bring him up off the ground. Come on.